On this bit here, it's just a little bit introduction into the course onto the Chen Style Tai Chi. Now onto the Chen Style Tai Chi, as you know, Chen Style is the old Chen Style, meaning that's the first Tai Chi ever invented is the Chen Style. And then when they're inventing the Chen Style, then they come out with the Yang Style onto the Tai Chi side. So Chen Style mainly designed for combat use. Okay, combat use, that's why you see a lot of movement and exercise on them, jumping, turning, twisting, hitting, all this kind of thing. And a lot of time when you practice onto the Chen Style, Cannon Fist 1 and Cannon Fist 2, they're all old film. They are old. So when you practice them, you learn to understanding the basic movement of up, down, okay, low, high, fast, slow, all these movement that you can see on there. Another thing about the Chen Style side is very good for fitness, learning for fitness side, okay, because it's very dynamic. It uses to work on your leg, okay, onto your heart, onto your cardio side to get yourself very good and onto the fitness. All this movement here to helping all the joint of your body to learn to understand them well, so you can able to move from one place to another. Learn to flow, your body flow from one to another very easily, and it's very good to get yourself to able ready for use in the combat. You see a lot of this kind of movement into the combat or movement on application side to helping you to understanding about attacking, counter hitting, understand about all this kind of movement to make use of it. Because a lot of time on the Tai Chi side, the way you move is the way you're attacking on the movement on them, soft against hard, hard against soft. Chen Style is a lot of hard, but they're also soft as well when you start to get into understand them. Yeah, so the Chen Style Tai Chi side is designed mainly for combat use, but because of this course here, you can use it for health side fitness. You don't need to do it for combat, you can use it for health. Only time you learn and understand this and make use of this in combat side, if you can practice this movement in the right places, in the line, then easier for you to transfer this to the combat. Okay, and if you don't practice the movement not in line and in all this good posture and get your body balance, weight transfer, everything in right, then it's quite difficult for you to transfer this into combat. Okay, so this is very important to understand. Now, when you start to understand all this kind of movement and it's already, then it's quite easier for you to practice onto the Tai Chi side. The most important thing to remember when you're working is low center of gravity, body balance, weight transfer, and understand about breathe. And then now, all this breathing pattern have to flow together. So when it start to work, it's become a lot more easy when it start to using it and using attack with attacking and using this kind of movement there. Okay, so this is important. So a little bit introduction to it, so you can understand and get an idea about the Chen Style Tai Chi side. Spend some time on this. I will see you onto the lesson.